Hi, I'm Dr. Prashanth Gowda, Consultant Neonatologist and Organizing Chairperson for the upcoming 3rd International Neonatal Conference, which will be held in Bangalore between July 17th to 21st at Chancery Pavilion. We have an ocean of speakers ranging from international to national to regional, and they're going to discuss in depth about the neonatal topics on neonatal cardiology, neonatal pulmonology and ventilatory strategies. These are the speakers who have worked a lot on the particular topic which they're going to be discussing on. We have in-depth discussion on many neonatal topics, and we have blend of the latest, most updated evidence-based technology to the field of neonatology, like point of care ultrasound, and we have blend of the basics to advanced discussion in the field of neonatal cardiology, pulmonology and ventilation strategies. We have come up with 10 workshops, unique type of workshops with 2 days of training in the workshop on basic and advanced neonatal echo, on basic and advanced invasive ventilation, on basic and advanced non-invasive ventilation. There is a very interesting algorithmic approach in our day-to-day management of problems arising in the field of neonatal cardiology, pulmonology and ventilation. So it's going to be really exciting, especially on the algorithmic approach. And we have a neonatal resuscitation program, advanced program for the training for the doctors, and we have kangaroo mother care, neonatal kangaroo mother care training, which will be held on these occasions. We are extremely happy that we have been able to generate an interest, and we are very happy that we have crossed more than 450 delegates, and this time we're going to have many participation from all over the country. Not only nationally, we have got international delegates as well who will be participating in our program, and we are extremely happy to invite all of you to this 3rd International Conference on Neonatal Cardiology, Pulmonology. We call it as Neo Cardio Pulmo Venticon. We are waiting for you for this upcoming international conference, which will be held between 17th July to 21st July at Chancery Pavilion, Bangalore. For more information, please log on to www.neogurukul.com, and please like this page, share this video, and please help the interested practicing neonatologists, practicing pediatricians and postgraduates who are interested in learning from this unique neonatal subspecialty conference on neonatal cardiology, pulmonology and ventilation strategies in the upcoming conference. Thank you.